Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to do a meal replacement smoothie. I didn't get to work out today because it's that time of month and I don't like working out, and I got a few places to run, so I'm going to do me a meal replacement. So I'm about to try this out. I never tried this special blend, but we about to see what it's hitting for. So what I got for this is some coconut water, some pineapple juice, I got strawberry banana blend, pineapples, and mango. Then I got some protein powder, Garden of Life organic, some collagen, because I'm working trying to get this stretch mark skin, some peanut butter, and some honey. Let's go first with our liquids. About not even a half a cup of pineapple juice, probably like 3/4 coconut water. I never had coconut water. Let me try this. Oh, it ain't bad. And this is mine. No one else is gonna have to drink out this but me. So, yeah. About 3/4 of a cup of that. We're gonna sprinkle in, just grab a few mangoes. A handful of pineapples. And grab some strawberries and bananas. Whoa. I put an extra, I put more pineapples in them, but I gotta go get me just some strawberries. So sometimes I probably don't want no banana in mine. Have like a teaspoon of honey. Scoop of collagen, and a scoop of the protein, and a tablespoon of peanut butter. And now we're going to blend this. This is a Ninja blender. I have it on my Amazon storefront, so make sure y'all go get it. I'll have the link below. This is kind of thick, so I'm gonna add me in some more coconut water and some pineapple juice. Okay, let's see what this is. Okay, you guys, let's see what this is hitting for. It's really good. You can taste the protein powder, but the protein powder is vanilla, but you can still taste like that grid that's in there. The bananas. I think for this, my next time when I do anything with bananas, it'll be by itself, like the strawberry banana smoothie, instead of mixing the banana with the other ones, because I normally mix it with the mangoes, strawberries, and pineapples. So yeah. Well, y'all about to hit the streets. I got some running around to do. This is my meal replacement for this meal. Make sure y'all check out the video on how I use these dog bowl containers from the Dollar Tree, because y'all know the viral TikTok of the glass jars from the Dollar Tree. I couldn't find them nowhere. I went to 50 different Dollar Trees, but I found these dog bowls. Yes, you put these dog bowls and put your salad in there for the week. I made 4. This is my chicken one. I'll probably eat this later on and then have me a dinner later on. But make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and share. And let me know what kind of smoothie you make. What's some ingredients? This is my first time using coconut water. What do coconut water blend in with? I would think coconut water probably go with something tropical, but make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and share. Till we meet again.